All right, guys, just want to do a quick instructional video here about our Vstar 650 fork lowering kit. So they're going to be available in two options. You'll have 1-inch lowering blocks or 2-inch lowering blocks. You're going to break your forks down completely. Get a manual or watch one of our other videos on our Vstar 650 build. There's some info on there about it, but I'm not going to get into all that. Anyway, the quick, easy deal is you have your damper rod, which slides into your fork tube here. So this is your fork tube. This is your damper rod. And your damper rod has...
All right, everybody. Going to interrupt the video here and try and get some quick information out there. The giveaway is back. We have tried twice now. This is our third and going to be our final attempt to get people excited about literally signing up to win a motorcycle for free. You don't have to spend any money. You just have to send an email and subscribe to our channel. I don't mean to talk to you like you're stupid, but this is so simple. I cannot understand how this is so difficult to do. The point of this is obviously for us to build our channel. Us building our channel helps us be successful. Therefore, the payoff of us giving away a motorcycle that we spent a bunch of time and money on is worthwhile. So, send your email, GattisGarageGiveaway.com. Be sure you're subscribed to the channel. And you don't have to, but if you want to actually win it, share this information with all your friends. We have 4,700 plus subscribers right now. If everybody gets one person to subscribe to the channel, we'll hit the number in like a day or 2 days, and the bike will go to its new home, which would be super cool for us. This is a simple thing, and I am just completely dumbfounded at the fact that we can't get people to do this. So, help me help you. I think that was Jerry Maguire. But anyway, we want to give the bike away. It'll be an awesome thing. It's a good feeling doing something nice for somebody. But yeah, we do have to get something out of it. We can't just build motorcycles for free and give them away. We'd be out of business quick if we weren't getting some return on our investment. So for us, the return on our investment is building the channel into a success. So please do this. And we're going to get back to our regular video.
bottoming spring on it. So you're going to remove that spring. You're going to install your lowering kit, either the 2-inch or the 1-inch, depending on which one you're going to run. So you put your 1-inch on. You put your override spring back. You drop this complete assembly into your fork tube. Comes out the bottom here. And then all you have to do is put your spring back in. Let's see, like if you're running stock springs, put your spring back in and you have your spring spacer. Okay, now you have all this sticking out here that you didn't have before. So what I recommend is if you put the 1-inch spacer kit, cut 3/4 of an inch off of this. If you put the 2-inch lowering kit, cut 1 and 3/4 inches off of this, especially if you're using your stock springs, because what's that going to do is give you a little bit of extra preload on the springs, which on a Vstar are pretty squishy to begin with. So you don't have to do that. You can cut the exact amount off if you want. If you're real heavy and like me, you can cut even less off. You know, it's a little bit harder to get the forks together, but that's how you do that. So it's real simple drop-in installation. I would also for sure recommend changing your fork seals, because even if they're not bad, once you take this stuff apart, I find once you take it apart and put it back together, you tend to cause a leak, and fork seals are relatively cheap. So there you have it. Quick, easy way to install our Vstar 650 lowering kit available at GattisGarage.com.